in your house is Star Wars, except Bree, me, Sissy, and Papa. And Bree will help with these troubles.
Hey, come here. Good boy. Good boy. Where's your left back? Where's your left back? Yeah, no, you can't come out. Where's your left back? Come down here. Where's your left back? I know he's making noise. He's being a boy.
Sorry.
And if you're doing that, grab Mike because you're going to need 2 people probably.
Hey, a minute.
So you're fine with one.
You've got love in you. Are you happy? Did somebody help you?
Yep.
Huh? I know. He's just making all kinds of noise and scaring Grayson.